Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload your Zoom meeting cloud recording into YouTube automatically. I'm here in this Zoom meeting, and whenever I'm ready, I could click on End Meeting for All. Whenever I do that, Zoom shows me a notification saying that the recording is being processed and that they'll let me know when it's ready, and then I can go on my Zoom account, find the meeting, find the recording, download the file, and then upload it to YouTube. This whole process can be automated using Teleport, a Zoom plugin which connects your Zoom account to your YouTube account in just 4 clicks and automatically uploads your Zoom recordings to your YouTube channel as an unlisted video. So to get started, you can either get started from the Zoom app marketplace or from teleport-app.com. From here, you would click on Start Free with Zoom. It's asking you to log in with your Zoom account, so you click on Sign In. I already have my credentials in there. Afterwards, it's going to ask you to authorize the Zoom app, so click Allow and click Allow again. And that's it. Your Zoom account is now connected. The next step would be to connect the YouTube channel. So from here, you click on Connect YouTube. And I have multiple Google accounts, so I'm going to choose the relevant one. Click on Continue. It's going to ask me to authorize Teleport. I'm going to click on Select All to authorize all the permissions, and then click on Continue. And that's it. My Zoom account is now connected to my YouTube channel. And if I reload the page, we'll see that the meeting that we just recorded is here, and I can click on the YouTube button down here, and there is my recording. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, any comments, please leave them in the comment section below.